Hello traders, good afternoon. This is BCL and here is the day we've all been waiting for. Euro 2020 final between Italy and England, and that would be my last correct score trading preview of the tournament for obvious reasons. As I'm sure you all know, Argentina won Copa America this night. Messi won his first big tournament with Argentina, and this evening it's all about Italy and England in Europe. So where's the value and what can we make up of this one? I had a look at the odds just after England defeated Denmark. And Italy was 296 to win on the exchanges, England 2.88. And that was a little bit surprising for me because in my personal opinion, Italy was a little bit better than England in the tournament. So I was expecting the odds to be slightly lower for Italy to win. However, this final will be played in London at the Wembley Stadium. So there is that 12th player that will give advantage to England. But other than that, still the odds, as you can see, dropped for England from 288 to 262 at the very moment. And for Italy, we can see 3.4. Being offered, which 3.4 in my opinion is very generous. Now it will be the 6th game played in London for England out of 7 they played, and if you follow me on Twitter, you know that I've asked this question on how it's possible that, you know, Euro 2020 being played in 11 different countries and England playing all their games at home, almost all their games. They played one at Rome, in Rome, right? So, but anyway, if you want, you can respond to this question in the comment section below this video. But we are here to build a correct score trade that hopefully will be will provide profit. So again, starting with some facts. So Italy attempts to win this competition for the first time since 1968, whilst England, and I have the majority of my followers is from England. They know that England looks to win this for the first time ever, and as I mentioned that, you know, the cards appear stacked against the Azzurri as they play at the ancestral home of English football. But at the very same time, you know, look, this is an Italian side that knocked out Belgium and Spain. So, and reaching that 33 game unbeaten streak in the process. So, you know, 3.4 for Italy to win, these are, in my opinion, great odds. You know, win or lose, but this is just great. Now, no team has gone to extra time on more occasions than Italy in the European Championship history, 9 times. Here it may again go to extra time. I think that's a very probable draw, being a very probable result after 90 minutes. Now England, they conceded just once in the tournament, right, in that game against Denmark. It was a tough semi-final, and you know, England gone behind, right, for the first time ever in the Euro knockout. So that's good. England boss Gareth Southgate has faced various criticisms since his 2016 appointment, but he will feel vindicated by ending the Three Lions' 55-year wait for a major tournament final. Right? England played 302 competitive matches in official UEFA and FIFA action since the last showpiece, but England have made it this time despite drawing at halftime in 4 of their 6 Euro 2020 matches. So, a hot stat for this game is that 7 games at Euro 2020 have gone to extra time, right? And only 2 other major tournaments have seen more. So as I said, draw is a very expected result here. Now, Italy, in terms of the scores, right, and we are looking at 90 minutes, so 3 recent games for Italy: 1-1 Spain, 1-2 Belgium, and 0-0 Austria. England, again looking at last 3, 1-1 England, Denmark, and 4-0 Ukraine, and 2-0 Germany. If you look at head-to-heads, however, you will see a very nice trend, because 4 last games between these sides, and I'm looking at 2012, 2014, 15, and 18, ended, and starting from 2012, 2-1, 1-2, 1-1, and 1-1. And these 3 scores are exactly the scores that I will select for this game. So, but first, again, let's have a look at the goals market. So over/under, as you can imagine, 2.88 for the overs, massive, isn't it? 152 for the under, so not expecting this to go over at all. And the correct score market again expects, as you can see, 1-1 at 6.8, and then 0-0 and 0-1 at 7.4. Then the fourth selection is 9. Odds for 1-0 Italy. All right. So as I said, I will start by backing 1-1, 1-2, and 2-1. Now these are very good odds. Apart from 1-1, I mean 1-1 being priced at around 7 is typical. And what I'm thinking is that I don't want to back 0-0 or 0-1. It may end 0-0, but what I'll do is I'll go for some better odds, right? And I will cover both sides of the equation. And by that, I mean backing 0-2 and 2-0. So that will leave us, 30% profit on 1-1, but then we will have way more than 100% or on any other of our scores, right? We're risking 30 for this game, but I'm okay doing this. And here, so the risk here really is 0-0. As I said, this may well be a draw, a 0-0 draw. But as I say, I won't back it. I'm just okay to take the risk. So I will not back 0-0. If it's 0-1 or 1-0, and this is a final, I'm thinking that, unless it's a very late 0-1 or 1-0, the other team will need to, push forward with everything they have. And I think there is a very high chance that the second goal will be scored, right? So either 0-2, 2-0 respectively, or 1-1. So yeah, so 5 scores for this game for me, leaving out 0-0 and 0-1, going for 1-1, 1-2, 2-1, 0-2 and 2-0. Yes, may the better team win. I hope and wishing you guys all the best for this evening, whether you support Italy or whether you support England. I'm trying to be neutral here. I'm not Italian, I'm not English, so I'm neutral here. I won't say which team I am supporting. This trade is built purely to secure some profit, not towards or against any of the teams, right? And I am really covering both sides of the equation here, because yeah, this can go either way. What I can say really is that, just that I mentioned earlier, that 3.4 odds for Italy to win is fantastic. So if you do support Italy, I think these are great odds, right? You think of it this way: you won't often find a game with Italy playing where you will get 3.4 for Italy to win. And even if they take the lead, you can trade out and clear your liability, whatever. So I'm not saying Italy will win, but I'm saying that 3.4 are good odds if you are supporting Italy. All right, so thanks again for watching. Thank you for following me through this whole tournament. I will be publishing a summary video as well, so stay tuned for that, where I will look at how I did with the correct score trading. So until that, have a great evening with football, and we'll speak again very soon. Bye bye.